The Poly Edge V800 series can handle multiple calls with reliability on multi-line office phones. Get 12 line keys supporting up to 48 lines, features, and contacts on the main 5-inch color display and the secondary 2.4-inch color display. Now let's look at what comes in the box. The components include the phone base itself, desk or table stand, Ethernet cable, handset and handset cord, and finally, the quick start guide. Let's start by looking at the various ports on the phone and get things going. On the right side of the V800 series, you'll notice that there's a cover that can be opened. This is where you'd plug in an expansion module or up to 2 expansion modules with the V800 series. On the left side of the Edge V800 series, there's a Kensington lock port that would allow you to lock the phone in place. As we turn the phone over, let's review the different ports, moving from left to right and top to bottom. The first port is a USB-C connection to PC. Using an optional USB-C cable, you can use your Edge V phone as the speaker and microphone for your PC. This port can also be used to power the phone. Next, we have the LAN port that will connect to the network and internet. This port can also provide PoE. The next port is a LAN pass-through port. This is used when you have to hardwire a device at your desk and you may only have one LAN drop in your area. On the second row, we have a port for an optional power supply. Next to that, there is an RJ11 that is used for certain models of headsets that require a wired connection to the phone. Finally, the last port is used for the telephone handset coiled cable. Now let's get that set up right now. On the back of the phone, plug the long flat end of the RJ11 cable into the phone port. Feed the cable through the channel locks. Now take the handset and plug the short flat end of the RJ11 cable into that handset base. To install the stand, turn the phone over and then slowly insert the stand into the defined stand receptacles. Please take note, you have the ability to put the phone at 2 different angles based upon your preference and lighting in your space. To do so, simply remove the stand, flip over, and reinsert. The Edge V800 series can also be wall mounted with the optional wall mount. The final step is to plug in the LAN cable to the appropriate network port that is providing power over Ethernet. If your network is not providing power, you can also use the optional power supply or power the unit over USB-C. You may need to go through a series of startup screens, or your phone will be provisioned by your network provider. For additional information, please visit hp.com.